Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Generative AI tutorial series. In today's video, we're going to talk about Gemini AI. So Google has recently launched Gemini AI, which is the most capable generative AI large language model. So Google DeepMind has launched this model and they have claimed to be better than ChatGPT 4.
So let's ask Gemini.ai if it is better than ChatGPT 4.0. Are you
better than GPT-4?
Whether I am better than GPT-4 is a complex question that depends on how you define better, at what criteria you use
For comparison, both GPT-4 and I are large language models and have own strengths and weaknesses. Awesome. Here's the background. Capabilities. GPT-4 excels in areas like creative text generation, language transitions, and factual language understanding. Me, I'm still under development, but I excel in areas like summarizing factual topics, answering your questions in an informative way, and following your instruction. Awesome. Technical specification. GPT-4 has a larger parameter size and can process more tokens at once, which may advance in certain tasks. I have vast amount of Google search information.
So it has been built with some constitutional AI which is in there. Awesome. So now let's test how good it is in trial.
Can you please write React code to implement login functionality?
Well, it has written this code. The only thing is that I cannot run this code over here, but I can use Replit to run this code on cloud.
Can you please write code for login screen in React.js? I would say it is certainly slow than Gemini, but the code the way it is written by GPT-4 is much more easier and less complicated to understand. You can simply copy and paste and run this code without any issues. So here, ChatGPT wins.
The another question is, what is the difference between Gemini and Gemini Advanced? Now, what's the other better way than asking Gemini itself? So let's do that. Both Gemini and Gemini Advanced are large language models created by Google, but they have some key differences. Capabilities. Gemini, designed for general purpose tasks like answering your questions in informative ways, summarizing factual topics and following your instructions. Still under development but constantly learning and improving. Alright. Gemini Advanced, powered by Google's Ultra 1.0 model, making it more capable at complex tasks like coding, logical reasoning,
Following nuances instructions, creative collaboration, more powerful and versatile than Gemini, but also requires more computational resources. Technical specification. Gemini Smaller parameter size and processes fewer tokens at once, free for use. Gemini Advanced, larger parameter size and processes more complex tokens at once, potentially leading to faster and more actual results for complex tasks. Currently part of Google One plan that also includes other benefits like 2 GB of storage. Overall, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you need a
Basic language model for everyday tasks, Gemini is the good option, but if you need a more powerful, more complex tasks, Gemini Advanced may be the worth considering. Awesome.